Hey yo, what's cracking? This is Rome Biggity 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 Bills. That's 3 biggities. And I'm back with another box opening. My last box opening was the sneakers. Jones was straight fire. But I'm back. This is Thursday, August 22nd. And I just got my new phone in. I pre-ordered the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Jones fire. I'm an Android user. I'm recording this off my S10 Plus. But I just use the jump program on T-Mobile. I got it. I'm gonna use it. I've been waiting for this phone for so long because at my job, that S Pen is so good. Like, because I work in an office and I take down notes all day. This show about to be lit. That crazy S Pen stuff. But bam, 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 bam. Got that joy, yo. I'm about to get into this bad boy. I can't wait. It's been a while since I've been waiting for this. Let me get into this job real quick. You hear me now? Alright, so here it is. We got it right in front of us. Note 10 Plus. I got the Aura Glow version, so this is straight from T-Mobile. Aura Glow. This is a fire behind color. I can't wait to see it in person because I didn't even go to like a Best Buy or anything to see it because I was just waiting for my turn. So let me get this John open. Alright, the moment of truth. Ooh, hold up. This John's fire. We have some stuff in the box. I'm gonna get to that phone real later. Pretty much just all the basic Samsung crap, the user agreement stuff. Yeah, sounds hard as anything to open. Bang, just to put that shit to the side. We don't need that. That ain't for us. But this bad boy. Oh, hold on, look at the look at the color. It's like a rainbow effect. This John is heat. Oh my lord, this is my first time seeing it in person. It literally has like a rainbow effect to it. This is the Note 10 Plus variant, 256 gigs out the box. And I have a 128 gigabyte SD card for it. We got the S Pen on the bottom. An all blue S Pen. This thing looks right. Let me go ahead and start booting this bad boy up. Oh, forgot the buttons are on the side. Let me get that back a little bit for y'all. So we got all this stuff to the side. This is so nice. Hold up. Let me boot that up and finish getting everything else in the box. Alright, so we got our T-Mobile Sims. Bang. So this is our 25 watt super fast charger. It's supposed to charge your phone in like an hour and 5 minutes from 0 to 100. Put that to the side. We got our USB-C to USB-C cable. Fire. It's about time they added one of these in the box. Shut up, Bixby. Shut up, or I'll smack you. Our AKG headphones. These ones cost like $70. These are nice. They have the USB-C cable on them. So because since the Note 10 doesn't have a headphone jack, they went the iPhone route. Took the headphone jack out, but it was for a good cause. Alright. I'm about to get this thing set up and then I will be right back. Alright. So I was able to get everything all set up. So far I like it. The screen looks amazing. I can't wait to really start diving into this bad boy. The first thing I usually do once I get it, go to the display options, turn the screen resolution to 1440. And there's one more thing I gotta do. Nope, I don't want night mode just yet. The screen set to natural, switch that on to vivid to get them colors popping because I'm a nerd and I know these things. And then bang, John looks a lot better. Get the weather on that John. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Then we got our S Pen. We can. Let me try it out for y'all. Alright, so mainly the S Pen gestures usually work in the app. So you gotta hold the button. What the fuck that's that? Alright, so I think you gotta hold the button. Oh yeah, it does work. I can hold the button and pretty much switch throughout all apps. It's hard as shit to use. I gotta get used to this, but you can usually just use this as like air gestures. And then it'll switch different modes and stuff. It's pretty unique. Once I get the hang of it, it'll be good for my phone tripod. But other than that, ooh, I'm an ugly motherfucker. Other than that, that's about it for right now. I will get back to y'all soon. Let me make sure the fingerprint scanner works. I gotta relocate this John. Oh, John's trash. Yeah, that's just trash. Oh, it's up there now. Fuck. Yeah, that's gonna take some getting used to. But thank you for watching. This is Rome Biggity 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 Bills. That's 3 biggities. And I am out. Peace!